Hello everyone, this is the Blev, and this will be my second episode on Half-Life 2. I believe this is where I was before, so let's load that up. Alright, yep, this hallway. Alright. Ooh, almost... Oh yeah, I'm supposed to go down there. Oh shoot. Goodbye. Oh god. You can get to me, I'm just too cool. Imagine being able to defeat me. I'm just like... I don't know. What's further down this way? Oh, nothing. Alright. I'm really glad how the last episode turned out. I watched through some of it, and I don't sound too bad. I'm always, whenever I'm like recording anything, I always feel really worried that maybe I'm not good enough, or I sound weird in some scenes, but I don't know, overall the volume was pretty good. I wasn't too quiet or too loud, and I don't know, I'm feeling pretty excited for how this one's gonna turn out, if I can grab all the stuff up here. Wait, so if this is the secret, where am I supposed to be going? This way? Oh yeah, of course. Kinda don't want to go into the sludge. It looks kinda yucky, kinda stinky, kinda smelly. Normal stuff, but... Oh, I get hurt. Yeah, that's a... No, yeah, that's a good choice right there. So... How am I supposed to... Well, I guess I can just run. Oh, head crabs now.
Hey! You're Freeman, aren't you?
Yeah, that's me.
Got word you were coming. You got here at a bad time.
Yeah, looks like it.
Black Mesa East to Station 6. Do you read? Dr. Freeman is on his way downriver. Lend him the airboat and give him all the help you can. Repeat, Gordon Freeman has returned. It is critical he reaches Black Mesa East.
Better get going now.
Yeah, I probably should. Alright. Bye, person I'll never see again. Yeah. I love all the crawl scenes where you have to go through these oh shoot. We have to go through these really small areas. Let's see. What's in here? Oh, free stuff. I'm not complaining. Oh, it's more head crabs. You can't stop the great Gordon Freeman. I shot at it. Oh, I forgot. This is a source game. I have to wait for them to stop doing the funny animation before I could actually kill them. Shut up. I've always been so confused. Why can they latch onto literally everyone except Gordon? It's not like he has any specific things that make him better than him. I get he's the Freeman, he's the main character and everything, but it's not like he has something that would protect him from getting hit by those. Or them latching onto his head. Yeah, that guy's like the other guy. He's just tired. See, look, he has his eyes closed. He's laying down. He's just resting. Where do I... Oh. No, that's a bad thing. See, I'm supposed to be cool, and you're not allowed to be cool. Why are they, like, coming out from the ground? Did I just go in a circle? Wait. I think I did. Hold up, sorry about that. Yeah, well, obviously I needed to go through here. Ow. Well, I'm kinda in a pickle right here. Stop it. That's not very nice. Because I'm gonna fill you with lead. I wonder if there's a way to get on top of that. What if I... Ah! Well, this seems like a good time to just get out of here.
Hey, Dr. Freeman. I've been hoping you'd show up. Got this airboat all gassed up and ready to go. It's gonna be tough dodging civil protection out there in the open, but drive hard and you'll make it. You'll find more help up at Station 7. Just a few bends of the river. The old red bar.
Okay, so this gas can just doesn't
Climb on
explode.
in. Fire her up.
Makes sense.
You better get going.
And I'm out of here. Yeah. Gotta say that out of all the things in the game, the water definitely doesn't look as good as it could be. Like you can see that it's not up to date, or you know what I mean. We can still see City 17 in the distance. I can't wait to get the really funny loading screens that are in this tunnel. Like that one. Whee! Ow. And it's really helpful that they have all the places where you can get health and ammo just marked on the ground. I don't need to explore. Hold up. Ow! Oh, they can throw! I didn't know they could do that. That's a...
Station 12, come in. Station 12, do you read?
Where's the radio coming from? There has to be something up here, right? There's some like... Oh yeah, just a... fancy gadget or gizmo. It's a ladder. That probably goes to something. Whenever, I've never been up to this area. What's down there? There's free stuff. That's a cool little, I guess Easter egg. It's such like a needlessly complicated task, but it's also like, you know, cool to do. Oh, ow. What am I hitting? It's very hard to see where I'm going. Alright, here we go. Time to, yeah, go this way, yeah. Oh, oh, I really hate this puzzle. I can never figure this out. I mean, I did, but it took like a long time to realize I can throw stuff under there. How strong is Freeman that he can just lift those, like even underwater? You know, it isn't. It isn't the hardest thing in the world, but it's still like, still kind of a challenge. To do walking down the dark tunnel, hoping nothing jumps out at me. When did I get a grenade? Should have thrown it down. Oh, it just rolled down, okay. Oh, I almost drowned, I didn't even realize. Is that good? That should be good. Alright, here we go. Full speed, and yeah, there we go. Ooh. Uh-oh. Forgot about that thing. Is there anything back there? There was. No. I keep seeing all those and I always think that there's something in them. That's not supposed to happen. Hey, you guys like dying?
You are convicted of multi-civil violations. Citizenship revoked. Status malignant.
Fancy looking cool things are in here. Might take them, grab them for my own. Ooh, tunnel. Spooky. I'm so scared that something's gonna jump out at me. Ah! Good Jesus. I called it. I called it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Who could have guessed? You could have guessed. I actually got jumped by that. Oh my god. There's a lot of stuff my first time playing through this that I just missed. Free stuff? The boat for two. No, it's just a skull. Where did my boat go? What? Oh, there it is. No, you're not allowed to hit me. That's my job.
Stop. Authorized. Stabilize.
No, it's another... Why does it look open but then looks closed? Is it closing itself, or what? Now I'm like super confused. And also apparently I can't break those are invincible. Makes sense. There has to be something like coming for me. I've gone really long with like absolutely nothing happening. And at some point there's gonna be something that comes out at me, like some like big thing. It's gonna be like, ah, boo, surprise. Well, good thing I'm too funny for them. Oh, no, this area. Oh, I remember this area. Oh, I died like 3 times here. I was like, oh, it won't be that hard. Nothing bad happened to that person. I want to keep using this. I know I just got grenades, but if I need to, I'll use them. Oh look, and free bombs. No, because people just leave those lying around. I guess it is like a outpost. But still, it's like... I really died to that? Like, 2 people? Okay, I get the turrets, but... And the combat, of course. And I missed. And there's those guys. Okay, now I get why I may have died a couple times. And also, I don't think I was, epic enough. Stuck in the ceiling. Why are there so many? Oh, you gonna come through? Oh, free stuff. So courteous of them to drop this. Well, if that's all, I guess I'll... Oh yeah, this turret. I really like how they do this. So you gotta... It's so fun, like, pushing the cards. What is he gonna do? Stop this thing. I love how this, like, this game uses the environment so well. How, like, you can just, like, use the freaking stuff. Like, the stuff in the environment. Like, yeah, it would make perfect sense why there was a wagon here. And you can just use it to take out this guy. A really weirdly placed gun. Oh, that was easy. Was I supposed to get something in here? I forgot. I think I was. Oh, is this how to... I think there's like a gate that I'm supposed to open or something that I'm forgetting about. Or maybe this whole place was just optional, I don't know. In the end, oh, yeah, it does, yeah. I guess that's one way to open the door. Do I really have to walk back through that whole area? There's gonna be guys in there, isn't it? I'll like it if there's guys back. Yep! How the tables have turned. Ah, you don't have some parts to take. Was that the last of them, or... I think it was. Oh, yeah, coming back was the worst part. Having to go through that whole area again with the Combine. Yeah, it was easy the first time, and the second time they're a lot more hard. Oh, shoot. Unreasonable amount of pistol ammo I have. Maybe I could use a couple of these. Bye. See, that wasn't so difficult. You could have just died. Okay, I believe there's more of them. Or is that it? I think that's it. Okay, where did I leave my boat? Oh yeah, over here. That's it, I did it. I didn't even notice the wall. Oh, and I just lost all of my... I got some in the back. Hold up, I missed a crate. Ooh, how convenient that they just leave health and armor right there. Keep calling it armor, it's called like suit. Yeah, I'm sorry, I left my suit over there. What fighting are you? Oh, ooh. If you could not, I'd be really happy. There we go. Oh no, oh no. What? Oh. This is getting intense. I love how it feels like a cutscene or something, even though you're, like, in the game. Like, it's so centralized around gameplay. You know, like, you don't rely on it cutting to some sort of, like, super detailed cinematic of showing what's happening, you know, the guy in peril, even though you don't really care. I think this one is like, you are the guy in peril, not watching someone else be in peril. down on me now. Oh, I got the Magnum there. That's what they have to say to the Wendy's employee when they see we're out of nuggets. You show up with a 357 Magnum. Oh yeah, the helicopter. Oh, my favorite. He's back for revenge. Oh. Here's what I don't like. If you could not do that, I'd be really happy. Let's go. You can kill me. I have the power of magical shipping crate. I have no idea where the helicopter is. Oh no! Oh no. Oh god, oh god. You could... I am surrounded on all sides. Listen, all I want to do is not die. So if you can cooperate with that, I'd be very happy. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I just had to... Ooh, out of him. You can't beat me. I need to be a bit more careful. What if I do a little... Now I can... Is that all of them? I believe that's all of them. Alright, let's go! Now what do I do? I see. I gotta not do that. Gotta come up here, then do a little parkour. 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 And parkour. Just gonna use my epic gamer skills. Oh! Oh, you're back. Just gotta... Oh. Didn't even know I'm here. Ow. It's like I was never here. It was 75, right? Yeah. Bam, bam. Ow. If you could not. Ooh, ow. Oh, ooh, ooh, yeah. go. Ah. What do you now? So I gotta take my time with this. Oh, that was close. Oh, I can. Of course, I can still shoot. So scary. The bullets are so close to my head. There we go. Ha. Not coming back anytime soon. Quite simple, honestly. Okay, now where's my boat? Oh, it's over there, right? Sure does look like the hunter has become the hunted there. In a way. You know. Yeah. At this point, I'm just saying stuff. What the helicopter? Speak of the devil. God. Oh. Ooh. Oh. I was not expecting that. Oh, he's shooting at me as well. He's shooting at me. How? Your weakness. Tunnels. Oh. Oh. Ah, can't get me in here though. I'm going out of the tunnel though. Right into this crossfire. You know, you're really annoying, aren't you? God. Intense music playing. Please stop shooting at me, kind sir. Is there any way to make this go faster? God, he's gonna drop a bomb like right on my head. Just have to get out of here. That's the opposite of getting out of here. Gonna move. Safe under here. Okay, the sun's getting hot. That's good. Not dying, you know. Is that a fucking ammo pickup there? I see. That was cool. Anyways, keep running. Keep going. That was such a weird area. say it seems like I've been left alone, but of course not. Question is, how does the boat like go on land that boat? Just gotta keep going. Keep going. Ignore the bullets. If you could not do that, that'd be really nice. This helicopter is just so obsessive with taking me out. I'm faster than their bombs. They can't stop me. Oh, and if I'm just completely stopped, like there you go. Just gotta ignore the bullet sprays. Ignore the bullet sprays. To get on that, or eyes. Just gotta keep going. Oh god. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh. Ow. Yeah! I remember the first time going through that, it's like seeing the smokestack going down. Oh, ow. That's what's been throwing missiles at me. Oh, he's shooting through the thing. He'll never catch up to me now. That was intense. Alright. I think I might cut it for here, because it seems like a pretty long and intense chase there. And yeah, I will see you all later. Bye.